Hello, my name is Keenan Galloway with Airrosti. Today we're going to go over some stretches and exercises to help you with knee pain. Let's get started. For the first exercise, we'll be performing foam rolling of the quads. The quads are the muscles on the front part of the legs that attach to the top of the knee. When these muscles become tight, we can begin to experience pain. For this exercise, you'll need a foam roller. You will begin this exercise by placing the foam roller on the ground. You will then lay on top of the foam roller, getting into a plank position. You will then slowly roll the foam roller between your knees and your hips, looking for any tender areas. If you find a tender area, you can spend a little more time rolling through these areas. Following this, you'll continue to search for any more tender spots. Once you've done this, you can then turn your feet outwards to target the inner thighs. You will continue with the same motion as you did before. Following this, you can then target the outer thigh by pointing the toes inward, and as well continuing with the same motion. You can spend up to 2 minutes doing this exercise. For the second exercise, we'll be performing a standing quad stretch. Once again, we want to stretch the quads as tightness here may be the reason for knee pain. To begin, you'll want to find a wall. Once you find a wall, you will then bend one knee behind you. You will then grab your ankle and pull. From here, you should feel a tight stretch through your quad muscle. You can hold this stretch for 30 seconds to a minute, or even longer if you feel comfortable. You will then release your foot and perform this on the other side as well. You can perform this exercise throughout the day as needed. For the next exercise, we'll be performing a banded hip glute bridge. This exercise is important because strengthening the glutes will relieve a lot of the work done by the quads, thus reducing knee pain. For this exercise, you will need a band. You will begin this exercise by tying the band just above the knees. You will then lay on your back. You want to make sure that your back is touching the ground. So to do this, you will perform a pelvic tilt by pushing your low back down and rotating the pelvis. Then you will push your knees out against the band to activate the glutes. You will then lift your hips up and hold this position for 2 seconds, and then you will slowly return to the ground. You can perform this exercise for 2 sets of 10. You should feel your glutes activating while doing this exercise. Also, make sure to hold the pelvic tilt throughout this movement. You'll want to perform this exercise for 2 sets of 10. We hope you enjoyed today's video. If you or anyone else you know is dealing with knee pain, you can click below to schedule an appointment today. We offer in-clinic and telehealth visits. Also, if you'd like to check out any of our other videos, you can click above. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.